everybody, and welcome to another dance tutorial of Starseed School of Dance. Today we're going to share with you how to dance the Samba Whisk to left and right and some tips for technique improvement. Enjoy! Foot position for leader. Left foot to side. Right foot cross behind left foot in place, right foot to side, left foot cross behind right foot in place. Foot position for follower, right foot to side, left foot cross behind right foot in place, left foot to side, right foot cross behind left foot in place. Action used for leader. Side step, Latin cross with part weight transfer in place, Latin cross. Side step, Latin cross with part weight transfer in place, Latin cross. Action used for follower. Side step, Latin cross with part weight transfer in place, Latin cross. Side step, Latin cross with part weight transfer in place, Latin cross. Footwork for leader. Ball flat, toe, ball flat. Ball flat, toe, ball flat. Footwork for follower. Ball flat, toe, ball flat. Ball flat, toe, ball flat. Timing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tips and notes. The shaping for this figure is close hold with strong framing. A Samba bounce action is used throughout. The alignment for this figure is commencing and finishing facing wall for the leader and commencing and finishing backing wall for the follower. The figure could finish in promenade position. You could choose to dance only the first 3 steps of the figure or only the last 3 steps of the figure. Don't forget to keep the poise and the posture. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to be in touch with all of our videos coming up, and check out our previous syllabus of Samba basics. See you at the next one.